Hey, I'm back with another update. I want to take a look at Cake USDT 4 hour on Binance. So since the 3rd of February, which is right here, we've had a 5 wave to the upside. It's quite clear. You can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a nice extension for the 5th wave. I was initially looking at the price movement a few days ago when I think we were somewhere here, and the count back then was 1, 2, 3, and then the 4th, and it was still valid because we did not go into the price territory of wave 1. However, if you take a retracement, you realize that the price went below the 50%, and that invalidated the idea that it was a wave 4. And if it's not a wave 4, then it's a wave 2. And that wave 2 of a lower degree completed the wave 4 of a much higher degree. I hope you're following. And so that wave 4 ended, and we saw a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th of a 5th for the extension. Now, what appears to be unfolding is, if the count is correct, and that is a wave 1 top, then we expect an ABC to form for the wave 2. And so the wave 2, you can already put some support area for the retracement from 50% all the way down to 85.4%. Generally speaking, price tend to go 61.8, 70.2, 78.6. More often than not, 70.2 is a very sensitive inflection point. Now, talking about sentiment aside, it seems that the BNB coin and the entire ecosystem is having some, how can I say, some enthusiasm at the moment. And so that would not be surprising that this wave 2 does not go all the way to the 61.8% or the 70.2%, but rather would be quite shallow. We would want to look for an increase in volume. You notice that the volume is really dying. The C leg of an ABC correction is usually the one that tends to be the most violent or sharp or fast, with an increase of volume once the wave reaches its end. And so that's one thing I will be observing, is the renewal of volume interest as we get into those retracement level. If you want to get an idea of where the C leg could end, should the market be really bullish, then the 61.8% at 233 is a good area. Then look for the volume behavior at this level. Then if it's a normal C leg correction, then you can target the 100% or the 1236. I personally like the 1236 a lot, simply because it gets me closer to the invalidation level, which is the start of the wave 1. I remember, if you cross this one, as you are doing a wave 2, but that means you're not doing a wave 2, you're still in a correction mode of a much higher degree. But for now, the count is like that. This is how I will play it. I'll look for the volume, and I will look also how price behaves on those support area to add to my spot bags for a 3rd wave to the upside. At the moment, it's really useless to try to make a target for wave 3 because wave 2 is not completed. So once wave 2 is complete and we have the beginning of an impulsive move to the upside, then I would make an update and look for a reasonable target for wave 3. All right, that's it for the video. You take care. Bye-bye.